Hey everyone, welcome back. It is a freezing cold Thursday morning in South Africa. It is currently 15 degrees. We're in the middle of a cold front and I think I might just freeze over and cease to exist. Hence my turtleneck or polo neck. And I thought, what better way to get warm than to bake? So as you can see, this is all the baking stuff. And today we're going to be making Japanese souffle pancakes. Yes! I mean, tell me that doesn't sound as good as it sounds. So I got this recipe off Squirmy and Grubs here on YouTube. If you guys have not watched any of their videos, I will leave a link to their channel in the description box. You have to go and watch their videos. They are quickly becoming my favorite couple here on YouTube. But anyway, they did a vlog and they made these pancakes and they looked so delicious. I had to try them. So I'm going to take you through the recipe today and I'm going to show you how I make it at home. I'm praying to God this goes well. If you want the full recipe, I will leave a link to my blog in the description box below, so make sure you click it and it will take you directly to the detailed recipe. So if you want to see how to get these beautiful pancakes, then please keep watching. 2 bowls, a sieve, a whisk, measuring cups, milk, baking powder, vanilla essence, 2 eggs, white sugar and cake flour. So basically the Japanese pancakes are similar in ingredients but different in composition. These pancakes are a lot thicker, airy, soft and fluffy. So I mean that sounds delicious. So just reading the recipe off my laptop, we have to make a yolk mixture and a meringue mixture. So first up we're going to be making the yolk mixture and it says that we need 1 egg yolk and 2 teaspoons of sugar. Okay, so this is our 1 egg yolk. Now we need 2 teaspoons of white sugar. So here's 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoons. And then it says to whisk the egg yolk with the sugar until pale and frothy. Okay, so I think that looks pretty much pale and frothy as we're gonna get. It then says mix in the milk and vanilla. So we need 2 teaspoons of milk and half a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. So we need 3 teaspoons of cake flour and half a teaspoon of baking powder. So I don't have cake flour, but we're going to be using the self-raising wheat flour. I hope that works because I don't have any cake flour at home. So here is my whisk. I'm just going to place it over the dish. So we just need to sieve this in. After sieving it in, whisk until incorporated. I think this bowl is too big. Oh well. Okay, so this is bowl 1. This is our yolk mixture. So now it's time to make the meringue. And all you need to make a meringue is 2 large egg whites and 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. Okay, so they are my egg whites. I did get a little bit of yolk in there, but I'm presuming it will be fine. I'm just going to be using my tireless arm for this. So it's looking pretty pale and pretty frothy. So now it says to add 1.5 teaspoons of sugar periodically. Okay, so we are done with our meringue mixture. As you can see, it's relatively solid. It's not liquid at all. We don't want it to be too stiff because we still need to mix this into our yolk mixture. So you want it to be stiffish and not have stiff peaks. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take 1/3 of our meringue and mix it into our yolk mixture until completely incorporated, and then we're going to take the remainder of it and add it to the yolk mixture but fold it in to ensure we're not breaking the puffiness that we just created. And I'm sure that's going to give the pancakes the fluffy look that we are looking for. So let's get started. Okay, so the first part of the mixture you want to use a whisk in order to completely incorporate both mixtures together, and it should look something like this when you're done. And then for the second part you want to use a flat spatula and gently fold it into the mixture without ruining the fluffiness. Okay, now all you want to do is fold it in. So I'm going to try fold it in without reducing any of the puffiness. Once you've added it to your pan, it just says to leave it to cook for 4 to 5 minutes and cover it with a lid. So I don't normally have lids for my frying pans, so I'm going to be using one of my pot lids. So I'm just going to let that cook and come back and see what we have. We need to... Ooh, that looks really nice. Fluffy little pancake. So now it just says to add more batter on top. Wow. Okay, so I don't know if we should add more than that. Suppose that's fine. And then leave to cook for another 4 to 5 minutes. And then when we come back, we've got to flip this. Woo! So that is quite huge. Oh my goodness gracious. Now it says to ever so gently flip it. Woo! Look how fluffy that pancake is, guys. Then it says to let this cook for another 2 to 5 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay guys, this is the final result. I did film a taste test and plating the pancakes. However, my clips got corrupted. So all I did is I drizzled some maple syrup over it and I popped 3 dollops of whipped cream on the top and added some frozen strawberries, and this was the final result. It was delicious. It tasted like marshmallows in your mouth and it almost dissolves inside of your mouth. And yes, I have nothing but good things to say. And that is the end of this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you try it at home. I hope you share it with your family and friends. And I hope it becomes like a daily breakfast or treat for everybody. I cannot stop eating this. I'm gonna finish all of it right now and leave nothing for nobody else because it's that good. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up down below and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye.